Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying the essentials: a microphone-enabled device and the account that will tie everything together. Enable the system voice feature and grant microphone and location permissions. This lets the assistant access context and respond accurately. Once done, install or update the official voice assistant app and enable cloud sync so preferences move across devices. Make sure wake word listening is allowed, and battery optimization won't disable the assistant. This ensures reliable uptime and immediate. Now you configure how the system behaves and connects. Set the wake word, preferred language, and voice model so responses match your expectations. This affects latency and naturalness. Next, create routines or shortcuts that chain actions, like turning lights off and setting thermostat, then link services and smart home devices via their integrations. Train the assistant with multiple recordings of your voice so it adapts to your accent and reduces false triggers. Once completed, test 3-5 representative commands to verify flow and timing. Finish by tightening privacy and ensuring resilience. Review what voice data is stored and disable unnecessary sharing. Clear history if you prefer. Test the system in quiet and noisy environments and make sensitivity or microphone gain adjustments so it triggers reliably without false positives. If commands fail, restart the assistant service and your device, re-enroll your voice model, and confirm the network connection and API keys for third-party integrations. One key tip: re-record voice samples after major software updates to restore recognition accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.